Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get an invoice on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here for this video, we're just going to follow this support eBay article. And from here, we can learn how to get an invoice on eBay. So simply, you will be needing to go to your delivery account. That means into the delivery page. So as you can see, you will be able to get into this delivery.ebay or the delivery here. So I'm just logging into my account. After that, you will be able to go to settings so you can get your invoice. So I'm just going to click on skip for now and let's just click on all and just grant access to eBay delivery. And from here, you can just authorize to store and process my personal data. You can just type uh, yes, and you can just click on yes if you would like or not, etc. So let's just click on accept, and from here, you will be able to find your orders and shipments of eBay. So basically, by getting to the eBay delivery account, now you can go to settings. So let's simply go to settings from here, and from here we can find like these uh, billing and invoices, and then we will need just to find it here, and basically here you will find all your invoices. After that, next to each invoice you'll find like the print icon. You will need just like to either show or download. You can print it if you would like or do whatever. Otherwise, you would like to download several invoices at the same time. So basically, you will need just to select as many as you would like, and then you will need just to click on invoice number, and basically you can download them or bulk download your invoice. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.